In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a tabs widget from the app market or use buttons linked to hidden strips, which you can show or hide with a click. This process can give your website a dynamic, interactive feel, engaging visitors more effectively. Let's jump right into it. First, you'll want to open your website editor and start by heading over to the app market to find a tabs widget that suits your website's theme or design. The app market is a treasure trove of tools and widgets designed to enhance functionality, so take your time to explore it if you're unfamiliar. Search for the tabs widget to filter your options, and once you've found the one that fits your vision, go ahead and click to add it to your site. After you've added the widget, you can customize it. The editing panel will let you adjust colors, fonts, and even the animation style to match your branding. Take a moment to experiment with these options until you're satisfied it blends seamlessly with your design. Now, if you prefer a more customized approach, you can use buttons linked to hidden strips. This gives you greater control over the layout and interactivity. You'll start by creating several strips, each containing the content you want to show. To add a strip, simply go to the left panel, click on Add, and choose Strip. Populate each one with content relevant to its tab or section. These strips will remain hidden initially, so you don't overwhelm your visitors with too much information at once. Once your strips are ready, head back to the main page where you'll set up your buttons. To do this, from the left panel, select Button under the Add menu. Place the button in a location that makes sense contextually on your page. To link a button to a strip, select the button and open its linking options. Here, you will set the button action to show/hide and select the strip it should reveal. Once all your buttons are linked to their respective strips, it's time to fine-tune their settings. You may want to add animations to the buttons or the strips for a more polished look. This not only benefits the visual appeal but also enhances user engagement, as subtle cues guide their interactions. Finally, remember to preview your site. Click through each button and ensure it operates as expected, and the visibility toggling provides a clear pathway for users. This step is crucial for maintaining a professional look and feel across your website. By leveraging the versatility of apps or customizing with buttons and hidden strips, you're well on your way to creating a distinct, interactive experience for your visitors. Enjoy the process of enhancing your website and watch as these elements help to captivate your audience.